Sitaki tatizo na mapenzi, hivi ndiko busy na kazi zangu.
Have you ever wondered how one song can touch hearts across the globe? How it can bridge cultural divides and unify listeners in a shared experience of rhythm and melody? This, ladies and gentlemen, is the power of music and the story of Dieudonne Ndayikengurukiye, popularly known as D1. Born on the 15th of May 1996, this Burundian singer and songwriter embarked on his musical journey at a tender age. A natural inclination towards rhythm and melody was evident, and his passion drove him to pursue a career in the music industry. A decision, as we now know, that would change his life and impact the global music scene in a phenomenal way. The world first took notice when D1 released his hit song, Sitaki. A unique blend of traditional Burundian rhythms and contemporary beats, the song swiftly caught the attention of audiences worldwide. From South Africa to Jamaica, Germany to Canada, Sitaki resonated with listeners, its catchy tune and heartfelt lyrics transcending borders and cultures. But D1 didn't stop at captivating melodies. His talent extends to songwriting as well, crafting lyrics that are not only meaningful but also relatable. His songs, often exploring themes of love, loss, and resilience, have struck a chord with listeners, further solidifying his international fame. Currently, under the guidance of ITEKA Music Management in Burundi, D1 continues to refine his craft, producing music that not only entertains but also inspires. His dedication to his art and unwavering commitment to his fans speak volumes about his character and love for music. With his rapid rise to global fame, D1 has broken barriers for many Burundian artists struggling to make their mark in the music industry. His journey to the top is a testament to his talent, hard work, and determination. In summary, D1 is a shining beacon of Burundi's talent. With his hit song Sitaki and his impressive songwriting skills, he has left an indelible mark on the global music scene. As he continues to create and perform, we are left in no doubt that the world can expect even more greatness from this rising star.